Let's look at area and perimeter problems. This will apply concepts from both the area and perimeter videos, so make sure you already checked those out. Let's say we have this. So we have to draw an equilateral triangle, and in an equilateral triangle, all the sides will be the same. If it has a perimeter of 12, that means 3 times s is 12. So s must be 4. If s is 4, we can find the area. The area formula for an equilateral triangle is root 3 divided by 4a squared. A in this case is the side, which is 4. This will be 4 root 3. So this is our final answer. Next, let's say we have a cube with a surface area of 486, and we want to find the volume. Cube, all of the sides will be the same. So the surface area will be 6 times s squared. This will be 486. So s squared will be 486 divided by 6, which is 81. So s must be 9. We want to find the volume. The volume of a cube is base times length times width, which will be all 9. So it's 9 cubed, which is 729. Next, let's say we have a square. And the area of the square, that should be area of a square is 625. So the sides in a square will both be s, and so s squared is 625. S will be square root of 625. This is 25. So we want to find the perimeter. The perimeter will be 4s. 4s is 4 times 25, which is 100. Next, let's say we have a circle with area of 121 pi. So we have a circle, and we'll say this is the radius, and we want to find the diameter. We need to know that the diameter is 2 times the radius. And so if it's 121 pi, the area formula is pi r squared. This is equal to 121 pi, so the pi's get cancelled. And so r is square root of 121, and so r is 11. The diameter will be 2 times r, so multiplying this by 2 will give us 22. So let's say we have the perimeter of a rectangle, and we want to find the area. This one's a slightly more complicated. So we have a rectangle. This is the length, and this is the width. So we know the length, and the length will be the same on both sides. So this will also be 12. And the perimeter is 54. If you recall, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2a plus 2b, where a and b are the sides. If a is 12, we can find b, like this. 2 times 12 is 24, and we can subtract 24 on both sides. So 2b must be equal to 30, and so b must be equal to 15. So this side is 15, and this side is 15. We want to find the area. The area will be 12 times 15. Here you can use the 15 trick. I already have a video on that. So it's 30 times 6. So this is 180. So this is our final answer. Now, area and perimeter problems can be a little bit tricky, so this requires a lot of practice.
I've linked a practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.